The Very Super Bear by Nick Bland. In the jingle jangle jungle, while Bear was chasing bees, he came across the strangest thing beneath the shady trees. It was such a lovely colour and just the perfect shape.
"Today's my lucky day," said Bear. "I found myself a cape."
He swished it here and swooshed it there and waved it in the breeze, until a little voice cried out, "Can someone help me, please?" It was coming from the treetops, from way up in the sky, where Elephant was holding tight and trying not to cry. "Please fly up here and save me! I can't get down," he said.
"It's not that kind of cape,"
yelled Bear.
"I'll have to climb instead."
As Bear climbed up the towering tree, it bent and bent and bent. The further up the tree he climbed, the further down they went. When Elephant was close enough, he stepped right off the thing and gave the Very Super Bear a very super fling.
"Super Bear,
honked Bruce the goose.
"Can you help us, please? A great big yellow monster is eating all the trees. It's gobbling up the jungle, and owls are sleeping there. You have to stop the monster. Please help us, Super Bear."
"It's not that kind of cape,"
said Bear.
"and I can't fly like you. I'm not a super bear," he said, "but I'll see what I can do. Perhaps the monster's cranky. We should cheer it up," said Bear. "Let's go and pick some flowers and take them over there." "I might not be a super bear, and I don't have superpowers, but one thing that I know for sure: everyone loves flowers."
Round and round he swung the cape and launched it through the air. It landed in the monster's lap, flowers everywhere. The monster didn't stop at all. It kept on gobbling trees. But wherever there are lots of flowers, there are also lots of bees. The monster huffed, the monster puffed, then turned and rolled away. The Very Super Bear and Bruce had saved the jungle's day. "A super bear like you," said Owl, "deserves a super hug. Not only did you rescue me, you found my picnic rug." They shared a moonlight picnic, since Owl preferred the night, and laughed about the super bear and his short but super flight. Thank you for reading The Very Super Bear with Miss Dib. Be sure to check out my channel to see some more reading videos. Bye!